Have you ever wondered how create or blur faces in a video, remove unwanted objects, or create smooth cinematic transition? So the secret is in a powerful tool called Mask. So in this video, I'll be explaining what masking is, how it works, and how you can use it to create a professional video effect. Okay, even if you are still a beginner in video editing. So if you are new here and Miracle Update, in this channel I teaches simple editing tips and editing mistake you would like to avoid to keep your video professional. So let's get started now. So firstly, what is masking? Masking is used to remove unwanted object or to reveal a particular part in a video or a picture. Okay, so you can use it to do a lot of things. So in this video I'll be showing you practical steps on how to use it. So we are going to use ucut to achieve this is ucut over here. So click on ucut and you wait for it to load. So after it's open, click on this plus icon here, then click on new project to upload a video or picture you want to use. Okay, so I'll be using the photo for the sake of this explanation. So I'll be using this photo over here. So I'll click on the arrow to get back to my timeline. So this is the photo here. I'll increase the duration. So let's say if click on it, just click on the photo. Okay, tap on it, then go to duration. I'll increase it to 30 seconds. Okay, so I will now have to bring another video or photo that I want to mask. Okay, so how to do that? Slide to this home tools here. Okay, then click on the pip here. After clicking on it, then choose a photo or video you want to apply. Okay, so I want to use this video for the purpose of this tutorial. So I'll click on the video like this. So the video is here. So the next thing you should do is, so make sure that the video or the picture you added through pip is highlighted. Then slide to the corresponding tool and look for fill, this fill over here. So tap on it for the video to fill the screen. Okay, so I'll be using my finger to reduce this so that I want to bring out the face part. Okay, so I'll be using my finger to do it. I'll just drag it ahead. The first part is now showing. Then I'll now use my finger to reduce it more. Yes, this is okay. So after doing that, then slide back and go to mask. You can see mask over here, then tap on it. Then you can see different styles of mask you can use. You can use line, you can use mirror, you can use circle, you can use rectangle, heart, star, and so on. So we are going to use circle mask. Okay, so this is circle mask here. Tap on it. I just want to bring out the face of this person over here. Okay, so you can reduce the mask size or increase the mask size. Okay, so I'll move it to the place you want to review. Okay, so we want to review this part. Okay, only the face. So I'll arrange it to fit into the particular place I want. Okay, so remember I said that you can use masking to review a part or to hide some parts. Okay, so in this case I'm reviewing the face of this person here. Okay, but if I want to hide the face, this is what I'll do. I'll click on this tool over here at the top. So tap on it, then it will, are you seeing the effect? It will hide the person face. But if you want to review the face, just tap on it, it will review. So there's a lot of things you can use this mask to do. Okay, this feather over here is if you want this cut, if you want this cut to blend with the background, you just increase the feather. Okay, so it will now blend with the background, but that is not what we want. Okay, so I'll leave it at 0. So click, after doing that, after choosing and editing everything you want, click on the check mark to save your editing. Okay, so this is the video over here. As you can see, it's only the face that is now showing. So I would like to resize the video. I'll resize it. Are you seeing what I'm doing? I'm resizing it with my 2 finger. Okay, so this is it. This is it over here. So let's play the video and see.
For serious people only. So take
So are you seeing the effect? It's only the face of the person that is showing. So there's a lot of things you can use this mask to do. You can use it to create a powerful and professional transition. Okay, I will not be doing that in this video. Okay, that will be for another video. So this is very perfect. I know most of you have been seeing a video like this, eventually a YouTube video. Okay, when this person is trying to show off the screen recording, there's a part that they will mask their face and place it in a one corner. Okay, so this is how to do it. Okay, and it will help your video to look more professional than only showing the text or image or video only. Alright, so if you got value from this video, don't forget to like, share, and also follow this channel for more tutorials like this. Okay, then I'll see you in the next video.